everyone, I'm Kelly from the Structured Data Company, and today I'm going to show you how to find your Google Maps CID. So firstly, what is your Google Maps CID? Well, it's a unique identifier that Google uses to identify your specific business on Google Maps. The reason it's useful for structured data is because it then can create a concrete link between your Google Maps business entity and the one you're talking about in your structured data. Now, the CID is also known as your customer identification number, or it's sometimes known as your Ludocid. Now, it's a unique number, so this is really crucial because this will help Google to link it to its knowledge graph. It's really good for entity SEO, and I'm going to show you today how to find it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a template for your local business. So I've just written a really basic one here, like super basic. There's about 1,000 other things that you could add, that just for the purposes of this video, I'm just showing you the absolute basics here. So we're going to look at an entity today called Dave's Garage. I'm not affiliated with Dave's Garage, it's just one that I thought of off the top of my head. So let's have a little look. So we go to Google Maps, and we can search for Dave's Garage. So if we click on that here, we'll see that the knowledge panel pops up for Google Maps for this particular business, and we can also see that it's highlighted it here. What we're interested in is the URL at the top here. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy this, and we're going to add it into Plepper's really handy tool. So this is a CID converter tool. So we're just going to paste it in here, and then convert it and generate it. If we scroll down, don't need to know about all these other things, we just want this one here. So this is your CID, your unique identifier. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy that, and we're going to add that into our structured data in the HasMap section here. That's all we need to do for our CID. It's a good idea too to check it just to make sure it works. So if we go to a new tab and we paste that in, we'll see that that comes up straight away. So that's perfect. Other cool things that we can do with this Google Maps link, we can actually get the longitude and latitude from here as well. So if we copy this one here, this is your longitude. So we're going to copy this number, and it's really important here that the number has at least 5 digits after the dot. Google requires a minimum of 5 digits, so I'd recommend that you just use this one here. Make sure as well that you don't zoom in and out, because if you zoom in, zoom out, you'll see that it actually changes. You can see it changing at the top here as I move in. So it's really important you just keep the default zoom. So let's paste that in for our longitude. There we go. And we're going to go back and we're going to get our latitude. Now, because I've zoomed in and out, this has messed it up a little bit. And we can see that by the 1666Z, as we zoom in and out, we'll see that that changes. So we're going to 15, 14. So what we're going to do, we just want to hit enter again on here, just to reset that zoom before we copy it. And then we're going to grab our latitude, which is this one here, and paste it into our structured data. Okay, so both of these now gives Google a concrete link. We've got our HasMap, which tells it exactly the location for the Google Maps, and we've also given it the longitude and the latitude. So that's really useful for local SEO. Stay tuned for more structured data videos.